Hey, it's Boudreaux and Eunice on call. How y'all are this evening? Well, you know what? Remember that crawfish gravy we made the other night? There's some leftovers right there. Well, take that. I got me a baked potato right there. We're going to do a twice baked potato with some crawfish gravy. Oh, yeah. Me and Missy used to go to Rocky's Cajun restaurant over here in Eunice when we were selling watermelons. And I think we ate everything on the menu, just about. We were sitting outside the restaurant underneath them big oak trees over there. And we sold a bunch of watermelons. And we ate just about, like I said, everything on the menu. And our favorite was the crawfish etouffee stuffed baked potato. So I'm going to hand this over to Miss Missy. I'm going to show you how I'm going to make it. And I'm going to load this up. It's called, a loaded potato, twice baked potato. My cousin, Johnny Luquette, over in Abbeville, he had a restaurant called Potatoes and More. He had the half-pound hamburgers over there. And these big old stuffed potatoes. Now, Rockies, I think their potatoes go like 1 pound minimum, just the potatoes, 1 pound, if I'm not mistaken. That's how it was at my cousin's place. Y'all see that right there? That's awesome. Alright, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to put some cheese on top of that. I'm going to stir it around a little bit. Then I'm going to put some cheese on top of that. And we're going to go do that right now. Right here there. Put some cheese on that. And I just washed my hands too, so y'all don't worry about that. Put some cheese on that. I'm going to mix that in there. What's that, some mozzarella? No, that's some Monterey Jack. Monterey Jack. Alright. Now here's what I'm going to do. I didn't put no butter. I had my butter right there, but I'm going to get that out of the way. Don't need no butter. Not now. I'm going to mix all this up right here. Let Laura stir it up. Then, you know what? Then I'm going to clean the bowl up like that. Hell yeah. Then I'm going to add a little bit more cheese in it. I'm going to add a little bit more cheese in it like that there. Alright. You see what I got right there? Got my Daisy sour cream. I'm not going to add that now though. Not me no. I'm going to heat this a little bit in the toaster oven. We got a toaster oven we got for a wedding present. Like 5-6 years ago. Alright. And that'll work. See, trabajo. And after it comes out the toaster oven, I'm going to put some sour cream in there and mix it up. Hey, ça c'est bon, ouais. Alright, y'all enjoy. Plutarch.